Transferring money from Exodus to PayPal is not a direct process, but it can be done. Unfortunately, Exodus Wallet does not support direct transfers of cryptocurrencies to external bank accounts or services like PayPal. To achieve this, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. First, you'll need to send your cryptocurrency from your Exodus wallet to a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports withdrawals to PayPal. Examples include Coinbase, Binance, or KuCoin, though availability may depend on your region and the specific cryptocurrency. Ensure you have enough cryptocurrency for the minimum sell amount and any associated network fees. Always double check the destination address when sending crypto to the exchange, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Once your cryptocurrency is on the exchange, you will then need to sell it for a fiat currency, such as US dollar, euro, or your local currency. After selling your crypto for fiat, navigate to the exchange withdrawal or cash out section. There, select PayPal as your preferred withdrawal method. Finally, carefully verify all the details to ensure a smooth transaction between the exchange and your PayPal account. Some exchanges might offer zero fees for PayPal withdrawals, but it's always wise to confirm this. Bear in mind that the ability to withdraw to PayPal from an exchange depends on the exchange policies and your country of residence. And you may need to complete identification verification on the exchange to enable fiat withdrawals. While network fees for sending crypto from Exodus to the exchange will still apply, this method allows you to convert your cryptocurrency to fiat currency and then access those funds in your PayPal account.